Okay, Mika. Here's your doll. Show me where her zipper is. There it is. That's right, zipper. 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 Hard to make movies of you, huh? Because you love to stare at yourself on the iPad. Can you say iPad? iPad. Can you say... can you say grape? Can you say apple? Can you say dada? Not hi. Can you say dada? Say dada. Come on, Nika, say dada. Maybe when you see him, I think he's coming. You like to look at yourself. Yeah, that's your pajamas with the owl. Can you say owl? Yeah. Here comes Daddy. Will you say hi, Dada? Hi. Will you say hi, Dada? Yeah, you're showing Daddy that picture of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say Dada? Mika, you like to stare at the iPad. Yeah, you do. You like to stare at the iPad. You do. Do you like tickles? Would you like a tickle? No tickle? Tickle. Tickle. All right, Mika, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.